If you only had time for one SPX options trade per week, this is the one I would choose. This is a Friday put credit spread strategy from alphacrunching.com. And we only take this trade if the market has bullish conditions. We can see over the last 3 years, almost 3 years, we're running about an 80% win rate selling at the money options. The strike selection is a little bit aggressive, but we can see what that does is it keeps our average loser and our average winner in check. So the risk reward isn't too crazy like most people kind of think about when you think about credit spreads. But what's really important is we have this 80% win rate with a high expectancy of $113 per spread over the course of 3 years. Let's walk through the quick setup. I'll post the article for this in the description in the comments if you want to check it out later. But the first part of the trade is we want to make sure that the recent pattern of the market closing higher on Monday than Friday is intact. And we do this by looking at the tomorrow's triumph rate. We call it the TTR. And we can see for Friday, we have a high win rate of Monday closing higher than Friday. What makes it easy is that Alpha Crunching is going to put the trade for you. You don't even have to look at that table. You'll notice on the trade ideas tab, amongst a bunch of other trades, that this strategy is valid for this week. And at 3:45, which is about 15 minutes before the market closes, we're going to look to put on that trade as long as we're in that bullish condition. We can see here we have the win rate, expectancy, average win, average loss. This is just one of many trades from alphacrunching.com, but definitely one of the best performers. So check out the article with the details. If you have any questions, let me know, and we'll see you in the next video.